Hello everyone, I just want to show you a quick video on how to build an atom diagram. So by now, hopefully you have learned what an atom looks like. And so here is a diagram of an atom, and you have right in the middle, dense center is called a nucleus, and inside the nucleus you've got protons and neutrons. And outside, over here, orbiting around the nucleus are called electrons. So, a few quick things that you have to know. Electrons are negatively charged. Neutrons are neutral with no charge or zero charge. Protons are positively charged. So, if you have a look at the amount of electrons and protons, you have 3 electrons and 3 protons cancelling each other, which makes this atom in the neutral state. So this is the aim. This is what we're going to try to do. So first thing you have to do is go on the worksheet. You have the link over here. It's www.bit.ly/MRC build an atom. Go on that link and it should give you something like this. And we're going to try to make a carbon atom. So carbon atom have let's go back to the periodic table quickly. So if you look at the carbon atom, which is C, it's got the atomic number, which is top left corner over here, atomic number of 6, which is also the same as the number of protons. So we're going to remember that number 6. We're going to go back to our game. So over here, you got a pile of protons over here. I'm going to chuck 6 protons. As you can see that the element keeps changing as I add the protons until I get carbon, which is 6 protons. You need to remember that if you have 6 protons, you need to have 6 electrons. Therefore, which makes it an neutral atoms. So for this one, we're going to add 6 neutrons also to make it a nucleus of an atom, right? So we got 4, 5, and 6. So now we're going to go on to the net charge. You should have 6 positives and 6 negatives. Over here, your mass number is 12. So this is what I want you to do. You go back to your worksheet. And you've got this boron B. So you're going to make a boron an atom. You're going to build that on the website. Then you're going to answer atomic number, what the atomic number is for boron. And you're going to copy your little diagram over here with your nucleus inside, and electrons are orbiting with the correct amount of electrons. And also be careful, you got the first orbit and the second outer orbit over here. So you just have to make sure that you're putting the electrons in, well, the correct way. And good luck, Year 9.